Welcome to page 10 of your term combining packet. Today we're going to be looking at perimeter. We're going to be using the stack and combine technique to express the perimeter, or the sum of the sides, in terms of an expression. Let's start by taking a look at problem number 2. It states, find the perimeter of a rectangle with a length of 3x minus 7 and a width of 2x minus 4. Let's start by drawing a rectangle and labeling the sides. Let's start with the length. We know if the length is 3x minus 7, the length represents the longest side. If this bottom piece is 3x minus 7, well then, so is the top. So please label the top 3x minus 7. If the width is 2x minus 4, or the left side, then the right side is congruent. It is also 2x minus 4. Please record these notes on your paper. Now it's time to stack and combine and find the perimeter. 3x minus 7, 3x minus 7, representing the top and the bottom, and then the left side, 2x minus 4, and the right side, 2x minus 4. Draw a line and term combine. Pause the video, take a moment, and see if you can do this one correctly on your own. Please pause the video. As you bring together all your constants, which are all losses, you should have gotten a loss of 22. And when you bring together all your x's, you should have gotten 10x. We represent the perimeter with this binomial expression. Let's move on to problem number 3. It states, find the perimeter of a square with a side length of 5x minus 4. Well, we know that in a square, we have 4 congruent sides. Each side is the same length. So, if this is 5x minus 4, well, so is this, so is this, and of course, so is this side. A square has 4 sides. Take a moment and stack your expressions over on the side. You need to term combine and find the perimeter in terms of an expression. Pause the video and see if you can do this one on your own. As we bring together our constants, we see we have a loss of 16. And as we bring together our x terms, you can see we get the sum of 20x. The perimeter is 20x minus 16. Now complete this page by finishing problem number 1 on your own. But let's read it together. It states, find the perimeter of a rectangle with a length of 4x plus 7 and a width of 3x minus 6. First, draw your rectangle, and then second, Stack and combine your terms on the right. When you're done, write the perimeter on the line provided. Pause the video right now and complete the work on your own. When you're ready to check it, turn the video back on. Let's check your work for problem number 1. As we combine our constants, we get a gain of 14 here, but a loss of 12 here. You should get a gain of 2. As we combine our x terms, you should get 14x. That's our perimeter represented as an expression. This concludes page 10 of your term combining packet.